Hey girlies, welcome back. It's Ariana Donovan, your spicy Sculpt instructor who struggles right alongside you on this mat except from home. Today is day 7. You are officially 1 week into the 25-day Spicy Sculpt challenge. You should be so incredibly proud of yourself, so happy that you have made it this far. You are officially a week in. Today we are going to unwind. We're going to go into a little of a reset vibe. We're going to take it slow. We're going to get into some mobility, some dynamic movements, open up those hips, and just feel so much stronger. Take this slow, take this controlled. So when you're ready, the only piece of equipment we're gonna be using today, which is going to be barely, but we will get into it, it's going to feel so much nicer with the band. So if you have the band, grab it, place it on the side. We're gonna start all the way on your mat, laying it down, reaching those toes towards the front of the room, placing those hands by your side. Melting down into this mat, exhaling, inhaling through your nose, inhaling through the nose, holding at the top, vocal exhale through the mouth. Making sure that lower back is connected to the mat here, no gap between your lower spine and that mat. Just melting down, continuing with this breath. When you're ready, I want you to rock your head from right. Feel that stretch, and then rock it all the way over to the left. We're shifting our head, rocking from side to side here. Massaging that neck. Unless you have a bun, then technically you're massaging your bun like I'm doing. In 3, I want you to hold it all the way to the right. In 2, in 1, let's hold it all the way to the right. Eye gaze is towards the right, feeling that stretch in the neck. Bring it all the way over to the left. Feel that stretch right here, holding it here. When you're ready, head comes back through center, reaching the arms up all the way behind you. Exhale, bring them back down to your side, but coming to a hover. Your palms are facing all the way up towards the ceiling when you lower behind your head. Then you're gonna exhale, bring them into that rainbow. Palms are gonna face towards the mat, but you're not touching that mat, you're coming to a hover. Just working through those arms here, taking it slow, taking it controlled. Staying connected to that breath here. In 3, we're gonna add head, neck, and shoulders lifting off the mat. In 2, in 1, head, neck, and shoulders is lifting off the mat. And then you're gonna inhale, lower down, reach those arms back behind you. Exhale, lift, chin comes to your chest. Bring it all the way back down. Just taking this slow, slight core activation here. This video is meant to be slow, intentional. There's going to be some deep core activation, but the main focus is stretching, opening up those hips, melting down into this mat, holding poses, and just feeling so much stronger. Just taking one of those reset days. In 3, we're going to hold at highest point. Arms come to a hover. In 2, in 1, holding head, neck, and shoulders up, arms come to a hover. Let's pump those arms up and down. Taking this slow and controlled, head is off the mat, chin is off your chest. In 3, we melt it back down. In 2, 1, melting it back down. Let's place those feet in towards the booty, right here. Connecting those palms towards the mat. You're gonna press down through your palms. Exhale, come into that hip thrust. Shoot those hips up 1 vertebra at a time. Inhale, lowering down slow. Tapping that booty down to the mat. It is the last thing to tap, but when it does, you shoot them back up. Inhale, lowering slow. Exhale, lifting. Always exhaling on exertion here. Every time you shoot those hips up, let's exhale. Every time you lower down, inhaling through the nose. In 5, we're gonna hold at highest point. In 3, 2, holding at highest point, just holding it here. and then you're gonna lower all the way down, bringing those feet into a reverse tabletop, connecting lower back to the mat. Right here, I want you to grab the right shin, extend the left leg long, hold it here, melting down, bringing the left leg all the way down to the mat, rocking your shin from side to side. Just holding it here, shifting from the side to the right, all the way to the left. When you're ready, releasing the left hand down to the mat. You're gonna use your right hand, grab on that right leg, bring it all the way open towards the right, pressing down on the inner portion of that knee, all the way down, bring it down, opening up that hip, feeling that very deep and intense stretch. When you're ready, you're gonna bring it back through center. Using your left hand, grab the outside of the right leg, bring it all the way up and over to the left, coming into that supine twist, holding it here. When you're ready, coming back through center, holding the knee into your chest. Let's plant the foot back into that booty. You're gonna flex the right foot, placing it over top of the left thigh. From here, using both hands, both palms, reaching for behind the left hamstring, holding and pulling it in close to your chest. Feeling that very deep and intense stretch here, holding it close to your chest. Continuing with your breath, staying connected. When you're ready, you're going to flex the foot on the right. You're going to drop it all the way over to the left side. Right here, arms can come out to a T. Palms face down towards the ground. Eye gaze can come all the way towards the right. Just feeling that stretch melting into the mat. When you're ready, bringing it back through center. Right here, you're going to re-grab the right shin. You're going to extend the left leg long to a hover, lift head, neck, and shoulders. Hold it here. And then we're gonna come into those alternating knee drives, but this time you're pulling in on those shins every time that knee drives in. So you exhale, drive it in, pull in, inhale as you switch to the other side, exhale, inhale, switch, exhale, drive. Coming into slight core activation here, but still keeping those stretches in the legs. Staying in it in 3, we're gonna extend the legs fully long, in 2, in 1, right here, extending the legs long, we're gonna grab back behind the shin, or back behind those calves, keeping the toes pointed, reaching, pulling it close into your chest, pulling it close, and then you switch those legs. In 5, we're going to re-bend those knees, grab the left shin in towards your chest, in 2, in 1, extending right leg long, dropping head, neck, and shoulders. We're going to sway that left knee from side to side here, pulling in on the left shin, both palms holding it. Toe can be pointed, you can have it relaxed. When you're ready, right hand, right palm is gonna come down to the mat. Left hand, you're gonna open, grab the left leg, bring it all the way over towards the left side. Press down on that leg, bring it closer to the ground, feeling a deeper stretch. Bring it all the way back in and all the way over to the right side, using that right hand here. Option to bring those arms out to a T, eye gaze towards the left, the opposite of where that leg is. Bring it back through center. We're gonna grab that knee, placing and bringing that foot close into the booty on the right side. We're gonna flex the left foot, bring it over top of the right thigh. From here, using both hands, grabbing behind, pulling the hamstring close to your chest. Bring that right leg deeper in, feeling a extremely intense stretch on that left booty cheek. It should feel really good after the past couple days. When you're ready, you're going to drop it all the way over to the right. We're gonna come and extend those arms out to a T yet again. Eye gaze can come all the way towards the left. When you're ready, bring it back through center. Right here, we're gonna cross at the ankles, grab back behind the hamstrings, rock and roll it up to a seated position. From here, hands are gonna place directly on that mat. We're gonna shoot it back into a tabletop position. From here, we're gonna take some cat-cows. So you're gonna inhale, arch the spine, eye gaze comes up. Exhale, you're gonna round and curl, eye gaze comes to the belly button. Inhale, arching the spine, you look up. Exhale, you round and curl. Sticking with it here, taking the movement slow and controlled. All right, when you're ready, it's gonna come into a neutral tabletop position. From here, you're gonna shoot the legs all the way back, come into that down dog. We're gonna pedal out the feet, bending into each knee, lowering one heel down at a time. Right here, I want your ears in line with your arms, pushing those hips back, switching at the heels. In 3, we're gonna hold the right heel down. In 2, in 1, holding the right heel down, keeping the left bent in. Hold it here, feeling that very intense and deep stretch. Then we're gonna switch it all the way to the left, holding the left heel down, bending through the right leg, right knee. Bring it back. Right here, coming into the down dog, right leg is gonna lift towards the ceiling. You're gonna bend at the hip, bend at the knee. Come into those hip circles here, opening up that hip, staying in that down dog. In 3, we're gonna hold it up. In 2, in 1, extend the leg back long. Exhale, drive it in towards your chest. Plant the foot between the hands. Inhale, reach the arms all the way long, all the way high. Reaching for the ceiling, eye gaze comes up. From here, I want you to bend at the elbows, tap the knee down. Exhale, lift, shoot it up. Inhale, you're gonna lower, tap. Exhale, drive and lift. Slight activation in those legs, in those arms. On this next one, we're going to re-bend into that right. We're gonna open up to the right side. Arms come out to that T. Reaching for the back leg. Arm comes all the way up high. Eye gaze towards that ceiling. Holding it here. From here, we're going to plant the hands back down. Reach the right foot to meet the left. Come down, lower slow. Exhale, come into that cobra. Untucking the toes. You can shake the head from side to side. Come into a circle. Shoot the hips back into a quick child's pose, knees apart, toes are together, dropping that forehead down to the mat. When you're ready, bring it up to a tabletop position, shooting it back into that high plank, reaching it back into that down dog, hips shoot back. From here, we're going to lift the right leg up, bend at the knee, open it up, come into those hip circles. On this next one, we're gonna hold it extended. Exhale, drive it in towards your chest. Plant the foot between the hands. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, arms reach up. Chest comes parallel to the front. Coming into that low lunge. Preparing here, you're gonna bring the arms down, tap the knee to the mat. Exhale, drive and lift. Inhale, you lower, tap. Exhale, drive and lift. Bringing it down, reaching for the ceiling. 2 more. When you're ready, we're going to hold it low, bring the arms out to a T, open to the left. Fingertips are strong. extended, reached out, holding it here, dropping the left arm to the back leg, reaching the right arm to the ceiling, eye gaze comes up. When you're ready, you're gonna plant those hands back down to the mat, left foot to meet the right, coming down slow, exhale, coming into that high cobra. Staying with it, shooting those hips to a down or to a child's pose. Staying slow and controlled. When you're ready, we're gonna come into a tabletop position, shoot the hips back into a down dog. This time, lift the right leg, exhale, drive it into chest. You're gonna bring it into that position where you're going to pivot the toes to reach towards the left. You're gonna lower it all the way down, reaching the fingertips towards the front of this room. Holding it here, just melting into the mat, allowing yourself to stay super, super still, not letting any thoughts creep in, just holding it down, allowing yourself to feel that very deep and intense stretch, trying to not move the fingertips, move any part of your body, holding it as still as possible. When you're ready, let's walk those hands back in. Your right arm is gonna reach for the left foot, coming into that quad stretch, holding it here. When you're ready, planting that hand, reaching it back to a down dog. Let's switch it to that other side. Oh my gosh, I almost just fell and ate it. Switching it to the other side, reach the left knee in, pivot it so the toes are going to face the right. You're gonna bring it all the way down, extend, untuck the toe, reach the arms all the way long out in front of you. Forehead is gonna come down to the mat. Holding it here. Reminder to stay as still as possible. Try not to fidget those fingers. Try not to rock your head from side to side. Try not to move those hips. Try not to move those toes. Staying completely still as possible here. Melting in, not letting any thoughts creep in, clearing your mind. Holding it here. When you're ready, you walk those hands back in. You're gonna reach the left arm back for that right leg. Holding it here, coming into that quad stretch. Feeling that stretch. When you're ready, you're going to reach it long. Come back into that high plank. Slow lower. Exhale, come into that cobra, untuck those toes. Right here, we're going to shift it from right. Shift it to left. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot those hips back, knees apart, toes in. Holding it here. Bring it back through center, come to a tabletop position, come into a seated where you're gonna have your ankles crossed. You're in that butterfly position. From here, we're gonna inhale, reach those arms all the way to the ceiling. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale, you're gonna reach the arms up. Exhale, dropping them down. On this next one, hold it up at the top. Bring those palms face each other, bring them into heart center, and you guys are done. I hope you guys liked day 7. It was more of a reset, more of a stretch with slight activation in the legs and the arms and the core. It was a nice way to end the week. I will see you guys for day 8 tomorrow. Bye, girlies.